There's a bright red tractor on Springhill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
It was a cold and cloudy day at Springhill Farm. Tractor Tom and Farmer Fee were digging a hole in the ground for some new pipes.
Careful, Tom! It's not your fault. You're tired because you've been digging all day. Oh, no. It's raining now.
Hi, Fee. How are you doing?
I'm tired, and I'm wet, and I'm fed up.
You need a holiday.
Yeah, I wish I was somewhere hot, lazing beside a lovely swimming pool. I know you'd take me, Tom, but I can't leave the farm. Come on, let's go home.
That night, the rain poured down, and Wheezy started to tell a story. Wheezy said that if Tom kept digging the big hole in the ground, sooner or later, if he kept digging, he'd go right the way through the earth and come out on the other side, in Australia. Wheezy said that when it was winter in Springhill Farm, it was summer in Australia. Tom said thank you. Wheezy had given him an idea of how he could cheer up Farmer Fee. The next day, the weather was even worse. But Tom was up early because he had a plan. He was going to dig until he reached Australia. Then Fee could have her holiday in the sun. Meanwhile, there was trouble in Matt's caravan.
I know it's raining outside, but this is my home, not yours. Get out, all of you. No, I haven't got a hairdryer, and this caravan isn't big enough for both of us. I wish I hadn't said that.
Tom carried on digging, and the hole got deeper and deeper. Buzz and Wheezy came to see what he was up to, and Tom told them about his plan. Wheezy said they'd help him. Tom wasn't the only one who needed help.
Fee, you've got to do something. I can't move them. Every time I turf one out, 2 more come back in.
Tom, Wheezy and Buzz worked hard, but after an hour, they still hadn't reached Australia. Tom decided they needed more help.
Right, that's got rid of the sheep. But look at your caravan.
What about it?
It's such a mess. I'll help you tidy up. You've got so much rubbish in here.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. There's this for a start. What is it?
That's a useful piece of plastic.
But it's enormous.
That's what makes it useful.
You don't need it in your caravan. I'm putting it outside for now. Maybe we can find room for it in the barn.
Wheezy and Buzz got Riff to help dig the hole. Mo, Winnie and Snicker carried away the earth. And the sheep smoothed it out. And the hole got deeper and deeper and deeper.
Do you need an old deck chair?
Yes.
No, you don't. It's going out. These two. You've got so much stuff in here, I don't know how you ever find anything.
Oh no, it's starting to rain again.
By now, everyone was getting very tired and wet. They started to think that Tom would never get to Australia. But then Tom found something. An Australian boomerang. They must be nearly there. So they all started to work really hard again. And as the rain got heavier, Matt and Fee drove back to the farm in Rev.
What's going on? Tom? What on earth are you doing? Oh, it's a surprise, is it? And I suppose you've thought about how you'll get out before this hole fills up with water?
Look, I found my boomerang. I lost it ages ago.
Matt, we've got a real problem here. Tom's stuck in the hole he's been digging.
Well, you're lucky I got my boomerang back. Watch this. Step 1. I tie the tow rope to Rev.
You can't tow Tom out. He's too deep down.
That's where step 2 comes in. I tie the other end of the rope to my boomerang.
I'm waiting.
Step 3. I throw the boomerang over the branch, and by means of some stupendous prestidigitation, which is a fancy way of saying a nifty boomerang trick, I tie the rope round Tom.
Nice work, Matt.
Here we go. We did it!
Thank goodness you're all right. You could have been stuck in that hole forever. I'm not very pleased with any of you. What did you think you were doing? But you can't dig a hole to Australia. It's way too far. Now you can all go to bed while I work out how to fill in this hole.
That night, Tom felt sad that he'd upset Fee. But what could he do now? He thought and thought. What had Fee said?
Yeah, I wish I was somewhere hot, lazing beside a lovely swimming pool.
Then Tom saw the pile of things from Matt's caravan. And all of a sudden, he knew what to do. He picked up all Matt's things and set off for the big hole as the rain got heavier and heavier. Next morning, Fee went to get Tom.
Where's Tom?
Hi, lovely day today.
It would be if I had a tractor. I don't know what's got into Tom. He's disappeared. What are you doing, Riff? Is this towel for me? She wants us to follow her. All right, we're coming. Tom! Did you do all this? It's wonderful! A lovely swimming pool that I could laze beside. Yes, that's just what I've always wanted. Oh, Tom, what would I do without you?
Look, Whack and Back are enjoying it already.
Oh, no, it's the sheep.
We'd better get in quick while there's still room.
No, I'm happy to laze beside my pool.
There's a bright red tractor on Springhill Farm who's always hard at work or play.
If Farmer Fee's got a problem or a job to be done,
It's Tractor Tom that saves the day. Here's Tractor Tom. Tom, 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 Tom. What would we do without you? 3 cheers for Tom. Tom, 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 hooray. We couldn't do it without you.
It was a very special day at Springhill Farm. Farmer Fee's birthday.
Hi, Matt.
happy birthday! When's the party start?
Not until I find Riff. She's disappeared.
Are you sure she's not asleep in the house?
No, I've already looked. Come on, Tom. Let's find her.
Fee drove Tom to the meadow. And Matt started to make plans.
Fee hasn't got time to arrange a birthday party, so we'll have to do it for her. Right, first job is to make a cake. You all know what to do.
Thank you, but I'm not having a birthday until I find Riff. Have any of you seen her?
No.
Oh, dear. Come on, Tom. We'll have to search the whole farm. And you'll help too? Great.
I wonder how old Fee is. I hope it's not more than 4. And I've still got loads to do.
Riff never goes missing for this long. I hope she's all right. You can't find her? Thank you for trying. Come on, Tom. We'll have to look somewhere else.
Next job is to decorate the barn for the party. Any ideas?
Maybe Riff got buried in the haystack by accident. Riff, are you there? It's no good. We'll have to lift all the bales.
Matt found plenty of decorations for the barn.
no, she's not there, is she? Where else could Riff be?
No, that's for Fee. Off. Now, what else do we need? No, Wheezy, I don't think Fee wants a gallon of engine oil with her tea. But she will want food. What am I going to do? I know. Pizza. Rev, I need you to go into Beckton and get takeaway pizza for us all. Oh, and remember, no olives for Fee. And extra cheese for the sheep. Quick as you can.
Winnie, think very hard. This is important. Have you seen Riff? You know, Riff, my dog. Can we have a look in your stable to see if she's there?
Yes.
It didn't take Rev long to bring back the pizzas from Beckton. Then, disaster struck.
Where has Rev got to? Can you go and find him, Buzz?
She's not in there either. She's not anywhere. I'm getting really worried now.
Buzz saw that it was a real emergency. The pizzas were getting cold. Fee and Tom were searching the paddock when Buzz arrived.
Oh no! If Rev's in trouble, you'd better go and help him, Tom. There's nowhere else for us to look for Riff. We've searched the whole farm.
Buzz and Rev hadn't been able to move the tree trunk, but it was no trouble for Tom. Buzz and Rev raced back to the barn. But Tom was still worried about Riff. And then he thought of one place that Fee hadn't looked for her.
This has been the worst birthday I've ever had.
Maybe a party would cheer you up.
No. All I want to do is find Riff.
Tom rushed up the hill to the one place where they hadn't looked for Riff. Matt's caravan.
Oh, Tom! That's where Riff was. She was having puppies. Oh, Riff! They're beautiful.
And now we can start your birthday.
And it'll be extra special because it's the puppy's birthday too.
Happy birthday, Fee. And everyone's bought you a present. I'll show you. From Mo, a pair of gloves to keep your hands warm when you milk her. The Combine Harvester Book of Corny Jokes from Wheezy. A quad bike CD player for Buzz. That's from Buzz. A big feather duster from Whack-and-Back and the Hens, made with their own feathers. A hubcap from Rev. A new saddle from Snicker and Winnie. A pot of cream from Purdy. A new shirt from me, your favourite colour. And a diving suit from the sheep. They hope you'll enjoy diving as much as they do.
Thank you, everyone. But I think Tom brought me the best present of all. He found Riff and her puppies. Mwah! You've given me the best birthday I've ever had.
What would we do without him?
What would I do without you all?